What if I told you that your SaaS isn't failing because of your product, but nobody is discovering it? Most founders think building is the hard part. Wrong. But because nobody is discovering it. So in this video, I am creating an SEO AI agent that allows me to create blog posts on a daily basis and publish it to my website using PicoClaw and Ollama. So let's dive in. First thing we have to do is to just install Ollama. First, we will go to this website, that is ollama.com, and we will just copy this command. And after copying this command, it will install your Ollama. I will not install it because I have already installed it. Next thing we have to do is to go to the models and get the model to run it locally. So I will use Qwen 3.5, and in Qwen 3.5, I will be using 0.8 bytes version. So what we have to write is to just write Ollama, and then the model name and the version. It will take some time if you are pulling the higher size version. So cloud versions are quite high, but for the local versions, this is working quite fine for me. Then what we have to do is to just run this command, that is Ollama serve. It will start the gateway of Ollama. I have already running this Ollama instance, so I will not create it again or run it again. It will run like this. After this, we have to download PicoClaw. For this, you can just download it directly from here, but I will use and build from source code. So to build it from source code, here are all the commands that we have to run. I have already installed it, so I will show it right now. I will just clone it. I have already cloned it. After cloning it, you just have to run this command in that directory. I have already ran this. For the front end, you have to run this command. After running all these commands, we can leave this build Pi 0 because we are not running it on Pi 0, Raspberry Pi 0, and then we can just install it. I have already installed it, so I can show you that PicoClaw status by using this command. And then for the launcher, that is the web UI, we have to go into build and then run this command. This will run my dashboard on my local port, that is 1880 here. And now for the first time when you will log in, it will ask you to create a password. So enter that password. I have already created it so that it's not asking me to create a new password. After logging in into the dashboard, you can see here are different models, credentials, and all the channels like Discord, Telegram, or WhatsApp. So you can interact with PicoClaw using your favorite channel, using WhatsApp or Telegram. One thing we have to do is to connect PicoClaw with Ollama Qwen 3 model. So we will just add Ollama Qwen 3.5. You can name it anything here. And here you have to add Ollama / then copy and paste this model and version. And in the API key, you can write Ollama. For the base URL, you have to write 127.0.1.1.43431. This is the port that Ollama is running on. I can use it as default model, set it as default model, and I can also set advanced options, but I will not because I have already added this Qwen 3.5. So now you can just start chatting with Qwen 3.5. First thing I will tell Ollama to proceed with is to get the data about my SaaS product, that is smartcalls.com. I will share the prompt in the comment below, so you can just copy and paste that. Okay, so I will store this. So first I will tell him to store the data about my SaaS product. Okay, now I have written the prompt and I have given the prompt that you have to create this type of bot. It will start creating an script and it will start writing the script in Python or even any language, and that can be run using the automations and cron job so that it creates the blog post daily on my website, and that will attract the users that require my services. One thing that is quite good to create these type of scripts is you can use this Google Anti-Gravity, and I will just log in into my Google account. After logging in, it will ask that my Google Anti-Gravity is being authenticated, and after it's connected, I can also generate and coding languages using Gemini and use local model like Ollama to create blog posts. So here you can see that it has stored all the data in my memory.md file, that what I am providing, but what we are providing. And the other thing is that it's just reasoning that it's creating an cron job and all that stuff. So this is how you can automate anything in your computer. And the best thing you can do is you can create a VPS server and it make it run for 24/7, and every morning you can get the morning brief, you can create an SEO blog post, and every morning or every day you create a blog post, something similar. It have a lot of uses and it's totally free by using Ollama for local models. And if you are serious about how I build a SaaS product in just 24 hours, check out this video and I will see you there.